Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card to Google Wallet step by step in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to add a card to Google Wallet. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap the plus icon that says Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner. If you haven't added any cards yet, you may also see an Add Payment Card option in the center of the screen. Next, you'll see a list of things you can add to Google Wallet. Tap on Payment Card. On the next screen, select New Credit or Debit Card. You may also see cards that are already saved to your Google account, Google Play, or YouTube, and you can choose one of those if you want. Now add your card. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. If you enter them manually, you'll need the card number, expiration date, and a CVC code from the back of your card. After entering your card details, you may need to verify the card. This usually happens through a text message, email, or phone call from your card issuer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Once the verification is complete, your card will be added to Google Wallet and ready to use. If you have multiple cards in Google Wallet and want to avoid using the wrong one, you can set a default card. Just tap on the card you want to use most often and select Set as Default. And that's it. That's how you add a card to Google Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Android and wallet tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.